2020 Toyota Tacoma 2WD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It delivers power and performance along with tons of features such as lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.